Imagine waking up to find your crypto portfolio made smart, strategic trades while you slept. No charts to stare at, no stress, no second guessing. While most traders are still chasing candles and hype on Reddit, a growing number of savvy Canadian investors are stepping into a new era, one driven by automation and real AI-powered decisions. Welcome to Tolfex, the crypto trading bot that's quietly transforming how people invest in 2025. Click the link, activate your welcome bonus, and take the first step toward hands-free, AI-driven crypto trading with Tolfex today. At its core, Tolfex is built to help everyday traders operate with institutional-grade precision, without the burnout, emotion, or guesswork. It's not a flashy get-rich-quick scheme or another empty promise app. It's a serious, AI-powered platform that runs real trading strategies in real time, in real market conditions, faster and more reliably than any human ever could. You stay in full control. Your funds remain safe on major exchanges like Binance, Kraken, or Coinbase, connected through secure, encrypted APIs. Tolfex never holds your assets. You can pause strategies, adjust performance, run back tests, or switch to demo mode anytime. Your capital, your rules. Tolfex simply handles the heavy lifting. And this isn't just theory. Tolfex is powered by strategies tested across countless market conditions, even extreme volatility. The results speak for themselves. Smoother execution, fewer emotional errors, and more consistent performance. Whether you're new to crypto or managing a diverse portfolio, Tolfex adapts to your level and helps you trade smarter from day one. Canadian traders looking for an edge, without giving up control, are already jumping on board. Early adopters are unlocking exclusive tools like top-performing strategy bundles, real-time optimizations, and one-on-one onboarding from a dedicated 24/7 support team. If you're serious about long-term results in crypto, not just chasing the next meme coin moonshot, it's time to upgrade your approach. Stop trading like it's 2020. Start using the tools of 2025. Tolfex is here. The only question is, will you trade smarter or keep playing catch-up? Click the link, activate your welcome bonus, and take your first step into the future of crypto trading with Tolfex today.